For those of you who don't know us, this is Maddie.
I'm Maddie.
And I'm Duncan.
What are we thinking? Okay, get it, girls. Get it, girls. Woo! Nice.
Maddie, you are everything I could have hoped my brother would find in a partner. You're kind, thoughtful, funny, and maybe most importantly, excuse my language, you're not afraid to call him out on his shit. When he needs it.
How we feeling?
Feeling great, got a roast in my
Woo-hoo! Kay's doing hair, having mimosas. And Penny, what are you doing?
We're legends, baby.
Get it, girl, get it. Okay.
Duncan, you are the perfect match for Maddie. You're caring, hardworking, dependable, and always there for your people. From the very beginning, you've been like a brother to me. You bring a sense of calm and logic to our sisterhood, even when we don't always want it. You show up to the hard things every time, not just to support Maddie, but to give everyone in the room a big, classic Duncan hug.
Walking.
Back then, Lewiston Gun Club was running pretty strong, and Maddie says, Dad, when I get married, I'm going to get married at the Lewiston Gun Club. This is a lot nicer place than the Lewiston.
Woo!